you this wonderful riverfront estate on over 2 acres in Jacksonville, Florida. This property not only offers timeless sophistication, but also casual living. Let's go inside and take a look from the river view. In the backyard, there's a beautiful lanai and patio perfect for outdoor entertaining and relaxing. Imagine starting your day with these views. And don't be surprised to find visiting dolphins and energetic paddle boarders and kayakers. Inside, this home has all the charm you'd expect from a 1930s gym, and it's been lovingly restored with modern conveniences. The kitchen opens to 2 dining spaces. The cozy living room has a home office tucked away for privacy. The oversized family room is complete with wet bar and breathtaking views. The owner's suite showcases incredible views, expansive closet, steam shower, sitting room, and a flex space. Along with the owner's suite, the second floor is home to a guest ensuite, 3rd bedroom with river views, and a bonus space perfect for movie watching, game playing, or home officing. And a hidden treasure of this wonderful home is the enchanting 3rd floor, where you'll find the 4th and 5th bedrooms, as well as a loft overlooking the river and gardens. In addition to riverfront living on this magnificent property, it's located in a wonderful historic neighborhood. 4th of July parades, Earth Day celebrations, and ice cream socials are just a few of the events this community enjoys. This property is perfect for today's living. Contact me to schedule a private tour.